Hey everybody, this is Saul Castaneda with Mcscgreenwheels, and I'm here at home. And right now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we just received our washer pump, reservoir, along with a brand new washer pump. Now I'm pretty sure we had the original of the car sitting around there, but as you guys can tell, this looks a hell of a lot better. The windshield washer pump harness with this guy and this guy, and it comes along with this little lock ring, was about 32 bucks. It was a $32.99 coming in from LMR. And this puppy right here, this comes along with the sensor, so when you go low on fluid, right down here was $129.99. So you guys just see that we picked this up from LMR. We're gonna go ahead and put it together real quick and install it, because as you guys know, we're doing and finishing up all the wiring to our 1993 GT Foxbody that we call Staff Sergeant Reckless. So let's just get this done. See, your hose to your nozzles connects right down here, and your pump sits in here. Your electrical connectors for your level are right here. And of course, as what we said, the pump comes with a brand new pigtail, which we'll be installing, because as you guys know, we've been going through that wire. So this is very simple. Has a little notch right here at the side that you can see, just a little notch right there. That little notch goes right into that little groove. I coated the back of it with just some grease. That is your propeller that pushes down your fluid. So watch out, because it does fly out. It doesn't sit there too snugly, it's just there. So all I do is put it in, match the notch, and it's done. Now we go ahead and we take our snap ring here, and we'll push that in. I'm trying to kind of center it up so it doesn't catch that inside track of the little bead. Now we'll push it in. A little help of our friend here. That's how it goes. Just make sure you push them all the way in and get it down there as best you can, man, because you don't want anything leaking out of there. And that's basically how it goes. We're not going to install the connector right now, because we got to splice it into the wiring, because we're going to loom it up, make it look pretty. As you guys seen that we've been doing that. So what we did, we added a speed nut in the back of it. I'm pretty sure everybody goes from back to front, but we want to kind of hide it, since, you know, Reckless does look nice underneath the hood. So all you'll see is just pretty much the nut on this side. Now everybody's probably saying, oh, why are you adding a reservoir if you're doing all that work? Well, because we want it to be functioning. We are actually also adding our wipers, because we want those to work, because we plan on driving this thing after all the work we've done to it. So put this thing on. All the way down. Now I'll go ahead, this is a 5/16 bolt right here, not a big deal. We're gonna go ahead and bolt this down. Don't go crazy, just nice and snug. It's just a reservoir, not a manifold. Well done. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and do the connections a little later. We already ran our headlight harness in here. We're gonna be doing our connections from the underside of the fenders, on the fenders, so you know nobody sees many of the connectors. We're also gonna do a couple relocating some other connectors. We're really locating our battery as well to the passenger side. So we'll be doing that next. Guys, stay tuned for the next video we're coming up. We're gonna be working on our AC. We're gonna show you how to get it done without the help of anybody else. Stay tuned, guys. We'll see you soon. Thank everybody on Facebook, Instagram, and our YouTube page. Guys, we will see you soon. Don't forget, subscribe. Next video's coming up.